Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another video, and these are the top 5 most comfortable true wireless earbuds of the year 2019. Now, what do I mean by comfortable? To me, comfortable means that I should be able to wear the earbuds for a long period of time, say 3 hours or more, without needing to remove the earbuds due to discomfort or pain. So that's what I meant by comfortable. The focus of this video is all about comfort, so I'm not going to talk about sound quality, I'm not going to talk about stability or anything else, just comfort. If your earbuds made it to this list, congratulations, please hit that like button for me. But if your earbuds didn't make it to this list, but you feel that it should, tell me in the comments section below. So bros, here are my choices for the top 5 most comfortable true wireless earbuds. The number 5 spot goes to the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earbuds. I feel that the Sennheisers are very comfortable because of their extremely lightweight design. In fact, they're so light, they exert very little downward force into the conch of your ear. They also come with very soft silicone tips, so there's not a lot of pressure in the inner part of your ear canal, and that's without sacrificing any of its abilities to isolate noise. One other interesting thing about the Sennheisers is that they are shaped in such a way as to maximize its contact area with the inner part of your ear. So this distributes its weight even more, allowing an already light pair of earbuds to feel even lighter. Interesting, huh? So that's why the number 5 spot goes to the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earbuds. The number 4 spot goes to the Jabra Elite 65T. Whatever I said about the Sennheisers also applies to the Jabras, except for the fact that the Jabras seem to take weight distribution a step further. So, okay, if you look at the underside of the Jabra Elite 65T, you'll notice that the shape of the earbuds seem like it was taken from a mold of somebody's ear. So while the Jabras may not look as good as the Sennheisers, it feels like they were molded and shaped in a more scientific way. This allows the earbuds to hug the inner part of my ear a little better. Thus, as a result, I feel like it feels lighter than the Sennheisers. So that's why the number 4 spot goes to the Jabra Elite 65T. Now, the 3rd spot goes to, and this may surprise you, the Samsung Galaxy Buds. They may not be molded in the same scientific way as the Jabras, but in terms of weight, they are by far the lightest in-ear true wireless earbuds I have ever tried. In fact, true story, when I was unboxing the earbuds for the very first time, something that you can watch in this video, I thought that I had bought fakes because when I took them out of the case, the earbuds felt like they were empty plastic shells. So I was quite scared that I had bought replicas, but it turns out that yes, they were that light. So as far as weight is concerned, they are the lightest that you can buy, and because of its extremely light weight, I was able to wear the Samsung Galaxy Buds for hours on end, despite the fact that their ear tips weren't quite as soft as the Sennheisers. So that's why I nominated the Samsung Galaxy Buds for the 3rd spot. The number 2 spot goes to a product which I've tried on multiple occasions, but it just never occurred to me to shoot a video of it. So for this video, I'm just gonna grab some footage from Apple. Yes, I'm talking about the Apple AirPods version 2. Oh well, it could also apply to version 1 because they're exactly the same, the design. You see, the AirPods are not in the ear noise isolating, so it doesn't have rubber or silicone tips that you need to shove into your ear canal to make them stay. What you simply do is to hook them, right? Hook them into the edge of your ear like this to wear them. And that's great because what happens if, okay, let's put it this way. Our ear canals are not really designed to take a foreign object like a silicone tip. You can put in the softest silicone tip it's bound to get painful after a while, even if it's after a long while. I think the Sennheisers make a great example. I could wear the Sennheisers for 4, 5, or even 6 hours, but beyond that, my ears will still start to get sore. As comfortable as they are, this will happen eventually. And the reason for that is very simple. Silicone in-ear tips rely on friction to stay in place. And it's that friction that can lead to soreness, and soreness can lead to abrasion. And abrasion, in my personal experience, is not fun, okay bros? It's pretty painful. So that's why I like the Apple AirPods 2's non-invasive fit. I think that kind of fit is more comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Say if you are looking to put on a pair of earbuds for more than 5 to 6 hours. Which is why it deserves the number 2 spot. Now, the number 1 spot is a pair of earbuds that I don't mention a lot on my channel, but I think it is the most comfortable to wear so far, and that is the Bose SoundSport 3. And here's why. The Bose SoundSport 3's silicone tip design is by far it's by far the best silicone tip design I have ever encountered in a pair of earbuds. Now, this design is nothing new. Bose has been doing this design for many years. It just baffles the mind why no other brand has seemed to caught on to it yet. This design. Maybe they are afraid of getting sued by Bose. Who knows? Because Bose is known to sue people for patent infringement. We all know that. So okay, let me tell you about this ear tip. It's made of this super soft silicone which feels like skin against your skin. It's got an integrated ear fin which conforms to the shape of your ear. It's got this ear tip which you don't have to shove into your ear canal, yet isolates noise. So it's noise isolating and comfortable at the same time. The ear tips are also shaped in such a way that your ears will only come into contact with soft silicone, no plastic, which is great, which is very comfortable because plastic after all is a hard object. So that's why I feel that the Bose SoundSport 3 is by far the most comfortable true wireless earbuds I have ever worn. You could wear this pair for hours on end, just like the AirPods, but you also get some things that you won't get with AirPods, like noise isolation, so you don't have to raise the volume so high in a noisy crowd just so you can hear your music, and you also get stability fins, so they are a lot more stable. They stay in your ear while you work out, which is great. So bros, those were my picks for the top 5 most comfortable true wireless earbuds, but I want to know what you guys think. Did any one of your earbuds make it to this list? Do you disagree with any one of the 5 that I brought up? What are your top 5 most comfortable true wireless earbuds? Tell me what you think in the comments section below. So bros, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please punch that like button with a vengeance and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad, because I upload videos every single week, and this is the only way that YouTube will notify you of new videos from this channel. And remember to also enable YouTube notifications, because even if you ring the bell, if you haven't enabled notifications from YouTube, you won't get notified anyway. So do that, and I'll see you again in the next one.